Look at Drew, deep in thought. We're back at the plumbing shop. We've got to get this body finished. Things are getting real. We're about to make some big cuts on some big panels here. Got all of our templates from our old body all piled up around here. Stuff everywhere. Got the big nice national brake here on site to help us out. Got plenty of extra sheet metal.
Wait a minute, before you do that. You held that end right here on this, but this gets folded over. You know what I'm saying?
I thought we made compensation for that, but maybe not. Yeah, because we took those were measurements.
Whoa.
We measured it long. We measured that fender before we decided that
as
length.
far as this part getting cut here, if we had it up here, we said that we had this much room, but we're not, because that panel, we're gonna fold this over 3 inches. So it's gonna put this panel down, you know, that's a little heavy there. So we're good there.
But it's
you know what I'm saying?
better safe than sorry.
Right.
At that rate. So another afternoon of jigsaw puzzling, shearing, cutting, and hopefully a lot of drilling and pop riveting later. We got our work cut out for us. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We're working our way towards 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys enjoy our content today, please hit that subscribe button. It helps us out a lot and we appreciate you. All right, stack of uncut sheet metal's getting thin. Looks like we might have a couple extra pieces that we can use later on after Drew hits the wall a couple times this year. Got all of our pieces cut out, measured up. We figured out where we need to bend them. We need to get on this thing here in just a second, but we've got our station all squared away. Everything's been looking good. We didn't want to bore you guys with the measuring and cutting and the cussing, and so we're gonna put you on time lapse so you can watch us get everything bent up. Hang 10. we're back from the shop. Got everything bent up. Thanks again to Jolie and Sons Plumbing for letting us use their sheet metal brake again today. We've got all of our parts roughed in. We've got a lot of trimming left to do. It's one of the hard parts when you're trying to build a body and the sheet metal brake is not on site where you're building the car. But it's going to be looking pretty good. We still have a ton of work left to do, but we've got at least all the pieces, so we're no longer waiting on trying to you know, get anything bent or anything. So we've got everything we need to do. It is currently 5:30 on Saturday. We got Flow Racing rolling for the local tracks running tonight. We're gonna try to check out some of our other racing buddies, see how they do, and in the meantime we're gonna keep on putting sheet metal together and try to make this thing look like a real race car tonight. So we're gonna check back with you guys here in just a little bit.
Okay, we started pinning this thing together. We got all new ones down the front here. Got this nice seam. Looks beautiful.
It's coming together nicely.
Yeah, look, it's turned out really well. For our second body.
This is gonna be...
Yeah, she's a little bent looking there. I don't know what happened. Oh god.
Yeah, I don't know. You know, she just needs a little aggressive persuasion.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's a little aggressive persuasion.
Oh, it looks good though. It's starting to come together. It really is. Oh boy. Bling!
I know, right?
Is it all the way? Is it all the way unhooked?
Yeah, I mean that spins freely.
Does it?
Yeah. It's just gotta be like, it's just wedged in there and how we finish it.
Where's a pry bar at? Here you go. Try this one.
I still have a whole lot to pry on. It's really good.
Yeah, it is what it is. Get out of there.
There we
I command you out.
Oh boy.
I command you
Look,
out.
she'll be fine now.
Oh,
She'll be
yeah.
fine.
We'll work it out.
Yeah, she'll be fine.
A little duct tape.
So we'll spit on it, rub some track mud in it. It'll be good.
All right, we've got these panels done now. I think we're gonna start pinning the back in and then maybe work on the front. I don't know. Anything I say, I'm in the wrong order, according to this guy.
Well, you know, we're just trying to get it done. I'm tired. We've been working on it all weekend, and we got a lot left to do. And we're like T-minus 3 weeks from the first race, so forgive us if we're not filming as much because we're trying to work and trying to get this done. So you're getting a lot of footage spread out over a couple days in a short 8-12 minute clip here, just because we don't we're spending more time working and less time filming at the moment, but we'll get it done. Keeping on.
All right, getting close to finishing up the decking pot rivets.
Pop rivet number 895.
Oh yeah.
Our arms are feeling numb.
Yeah, it's been a long day.
It's been a long day.
This stuff just takes time and we don't like that. Probably should have paid somebody to do it. Wait a minute.
I know, I see the hole, I just can't seem to get it in there.
Bottom up, Charlie.
At this rate, you would feel no pain. It's just all numbness.
We're trying to get this last piece in here. Call it a day. Still so much more to do, but
I see some midweek garage in our future.
yeah.
if we're gonna make it in time.
It's hard working full time, overtime, and everything else.
You want to put some in here in the T-bar too, just like you did the other one?
I don't think so.
I can't really get one in right here. I mean, I guess I can.
No, it's no big deal.
It's gonna be hard to drill through that stainless like that.
I think it's fine. It'll be all right. Maybe put one in the T-bar right there and call it good.
How's that look?
Perfect. Oh, wait. Oh, that's perfect. That is perfect.
Yeah, it's been one of them days today. We got so much work done, but we don't have near the car doesn't look like it has near the progress. But we got a lot of stuff done today. Today was a pivotal day for success. In the long run.
Got some glare off some of them lights, but there's the overall gist of it. Looks good. Looks good. There's the rest of the panels at the back. We're gonna get this last one pinned in here and probably call it an evening.
Probably so.
We got some sleep we need and some house stuff we gotta get done tomorrow. So it is what it is. Until next time, I guess we're not starting the engine. No. But we did get the line fixed. Well, we did get the line fixed. Well, yeah. Well, it is.
That's how late model racing goes, and if we get it done in time, we get it done in time, and if we don't, we don't. And
we're gonna push on through.
You know, we could probably gamble on Mother Nature pushing us out here a couple weeks. That's been tradition, so we'll see what happens.
Yep. Time will tell. Give us a like. Let us know. We'll see you in the next video.